Okay, today we're introducing our new point of use heater that's good for whole house or apartment use particularly. And what we're showing you today is an instantaneous electric point of use heater that's compact in size and will give you unlimited hot water for a whole apartment. What you'll notice is that the heater is not any bigger than an iPad, except it's 4 inches deep. But size-wise, it fits beautifully in a closet, takes up very little space, and gives you the performance that you're looking for. So now we're going to do a demonstration of how the heater performs in the field. And this is a simulated experience, and I'll show you what we're doing. These are gauges, and the gauge up here on the left is showing 68, which is the inlet water temperature today in this room. That's the cold water. The second gauge will be the outlet temperature, which setting there right now happens to be 71. And here we're going to show you the power usage. On the wall, as we focus in, this is the amount of water going through the heater. What we have here is a shower head attached to this sink faucet. And so we have the heater in the closet, we go in to take a shower, and we turn the shower on. And you can see that's a typical shower. So the power that we're drawing is vacillating a little bit between 45 and 47 amps. The inlet water temperature is still what it was. Now the outlet shower temperature is 106, 107. It's actually set at 110. Which frankly is a little too hot. So typically you would mix that, use a little less power, and mix a little bit of cold to get it down to a temperature that you want, something like that. So you're in the shower, you're mixing the water, you're getting it the way you want it, and you're going to draw 38 amps of power. You have plenty of water coming through. This is showing about 1.5 gallons a minute of water. That's only on the hot side. Remember, I've mixed the water, so the total volume is plenty of water for a hot shower. So I shut the cold off. And now, while this is still running, this small instantaneous heater now can be activated by someone in the bathroom can turn on this water. So now we have water running on 2 different outlets. What you'll notice is we increased the power demand because now we've got 2 things running and not 1. So it's asking for more power and it gives you more power. The inlet water temperature stays the same and we have the heater set at a high temperature, so both of these outlets are delivering hot water simultaneously. Now the person's still taking a shower, the person in the bathroom is still washing their face and hands, and someone walks into the kitchen and they turn on the kitchen sink. All this water is coming through that small instantaneous water heater, and now we draw more amp power. The heater will easily do that. The inlet water temperature is the same. The outlet water is still 100 plus. Remember, at any given time, somebody shuts the water off on one of those 3 applications. The power demand goes down. Person number 1 gets out of the shower and he turns the shower off, and the demand, of course, drops. The person in the kitchen is still using the hot water. He still has hot water. The inlet water temperature is the same. Outlet water temperature is still high. A little too hot. Remembering all the time we can always mix the water just like you do with a standard storage heater. You mix the water and you get it to the temperature you want. I can start to mix this kitchen water because it's a little too hot. I mix some cold with it and shut it down. So this is our new R-Series instantaneous water heater electric. Fits in the closet or anywhere you want to put it. And what you can do is get your closet space back. You have a small heater does the whole apartment, and it's electric.